everybody. Today we're back with another video. And today we're going to be doing the balloon slime challenge. So let's get started. So we have one balloon right here.
And I
got three balloons. It's a little deflated one.
And I got one right here. And I got one right here. And I got one right here.
Oh, you can't have four.
That one.
So we're going to share this one at the end. We're going to see what's in there. Alright. So
I think this
come on
is,
first.
guys, I think this
one. That's at the end that just deflated.
it's probably stuck to.
I felt something in here.
Me too.
I
didn't
know
finish
it's
up my stuff, but
this smells like lotion.
it is.
Oh, I think it is. I think it's
Why
that.
is it coming out? Oh, there you go.
It's that stuff.
It's right here. It's
Guys, so
lotion.
I feel where it's mostly at. It's glue, cause guys, it's glue. I got it right.
Alright. Oh, I put this in there. Alright.
Oh, guys, I
Oh.
got glue finally. So glue's my first one, guys. I'm not that happy though.
Ew. No, okay. This is all on my finger. Ew.
So I got
Put
something
your dirty
I know.
balloon in here. Alright. Next. You gotta do
Cause I'm trying to get all the glue. I don't want.
That's enough glue.
No.
I said glue. Alright, next one.
Okay, it's a lot of glue in there.
Alright. We're going on the next one at the same time. Come on. Come on, Brianna.
That glue?
It'd be funny if I just get lotion.
Again. And I'm getting glue. Really weird.
Alright, put it right there.
Oh, y'all need
Okay, get your next one.
Okay,
Okay, let's do mine.
okay.
Bro, what's wrong with my balloon? I'm cutting it and there's nothing coming out.
Cut the big
I'm
one.
cutting every balloon. I'm about to cut this part. Okay. So it should
Tell
all
you when
come
you
out.
cut that part.
How that's glue.
Shut up. It should come out all out of all parts.
I'm gonna activate it.
And now we gotta get it. Alright.
Guys, mine is
Oh yeah,
glue.
there's glue. Guys, look at that. I don't know if you can see it.
Cause I
but
got
right.
glue again.
Oh my gosh.
That's lotion.
She did.
Guys, I got glue again.
Oh, I got lotion.
I got glue again.
I got lotion.
I got glue again. Yippee.
Oh, it's on my cover.
Tyra, your slime ain't gonna be right.
It's lotion.
Tyra, that's the last glue. She have 3 glues. We only made
Oh, it
3
better not
glues.
be because I need one. Guys, it's not good.
What chicken thing?
Guys, no glue's coming out of here.
Alright, I guess that's it. Alright, next one. I'm about to get a good one. This
It smells like lotion.
I need this.
No, this lotion. I need lotion.
Guys, where did my slime feel?
Oh, the rest. Oh, wait, it's glue. Let's see, guys. Ready?
I think it's glue.
It's mostly in this. Okay, ready? Let's figure it out. I got glue again.
For real? That's probably the last glue too. Let's see.
Oh yeah, you got that other stuff. Tyra got lotion. No, she ain't got no
I
lotion.
got lotion again.
Brianna, give her some of your glue before you use it all.
Okay.
Bro, this is
So
not
here you
fair.
go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
All I got is lotion.
There you go.
Oh.
Cut all the hands, cause so I can fill in them. Cut all the hands. Cut all of them. You're gonna do that.
Alright.
Guys, I
Guys,
never
it's
got
not fair.
lotion.
Maybe not to got the lotion.
And I took out
Aha,
the
we both did something to each other. We both took something from each other.
Baby, I need some lotion.
Baby, I need some more glue. just one thing to glue ain't gonna do nothing.
Why you being stupid? It's lotion coming out.
Seeing how much glue, lotion I got.
It's on the cover.
Ew, my hands. I know y'all see that because I just saw it. Right.
Get the shot.
Alright, that's enough glue.
Can I get a piece? Can I get a gum out of
Shut up, Trinity.
No, you ain't get it out.
Clearly doing the video. Shut up. Alright. Let me start wiping on my bed because it's getting
I
dirty.
did my last one. I did it.
Alright.
And I did.
I don't want it.
The last one that I said we was going to share.
Guys, my finger.
Wait, did you use the one that I said we was going to share? That's it. That's all the balloons. I guess you got to mix it up.
Tara, I had made one.
Alright, shut up. Alright. Time to mix.
Okay, guys, I'm about to go. Hand me the bottle of glue. Hand me the bottle of lotion. Hand me the bottle of lotion, somebody.
So, guys, this glue and lotion is not going
So, guys, I'm going to just mix a little bit of that. Here we go.
Thanks, Tara.
Tara. Oh, my God, mine is coming together.
When of y'all got that one I made?
Stop. Because I think I
With
have.
decorations in it.
She got more glue.
Guys,
Trinity,
so our cousin is gonna, my sister and her cousin is gonna make another one because we forgot to have our decorations ready. Can y'all get off the camera? Sorry, guys. Okay. So they're about to make it right now. Go get the other gloves.
Don't need more glue.
Well, go get more gloves.
Okay,
Go get 2
activator
gloves
time.
and go get the activator. So, guys, give me some directions. Bring me that pom pom. I'm also cutting things out from the pom pom and put them in my time. I ate all my slime. Gum. Huh?
You want some gum?
I ate all my gum.
Alright, guys, so let's put some activator.
I did.
Alright, I'm about to pour activator my stuff. Move. Alright, let's see what happens. Oop.
Shanique, come get my backpack for me.
Right, let's see if it breaks.
Tara, I ain't got none.
Brianna. Alright.
Guys, so mine is coming together. Pretty good.
It's not working.
Because you got a lot of lotion.
Fail. Because I know. Can y'all see?
But I was working.
Ah!
Yeah, I was working.
It's not working for me. Well, guys, that was a big old fail. So, like, comment, subscribe.
No, let them see mine. Tara, mine is working.
But mine's not working.
Guys, so see, as I mix it comes together.
It's
Guys,
so
this is
weird.
my slime I made last time.
Bro, that's not fair. But, guys, move. So,
Oh, shoot.
oh, move around. Okay. Like, comment,
Comment
and
and subscribe.
like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your
Follow
post
me
notification.
on
Get all the
Musically
post
at
notifications.
Shamara
And follow me on
_Marie
Snapchat.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, let me see what my
At
Snapchat.
Shamara _Marie 1, 2, 3. So.
Just follow me on Snapchat. It's going to be in the link in the description. No. It's gonna be
No.
the link in
I
the
got
description. Follow me on Musically at Tyra_savage.realist. Follow my best friend at NYNEFREEMAN. And I'm going to put my other best friend Musically in there. Because I don't know about heart. Oh, yes, I do. It's bang_edits. Bang edits. And her name is Lakia. It's a picture of a Kia. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, try to get this video to 100,000 likes. Oh, how much? No, matter of fact, get the video to 10 likes and I'll do another challenge. Peace.
Nobody saw that.